Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have alkyne, two different reagents you are using, palladium and hydrogen and barium sulfide and bromine. You should find what difference the reagents can make. The reaction involves stereoselective reduction, whether cis or trans form. Palladium and barium sulfates is a metallic reduction. Alkyne bind to the same metal phase. Same phase reduction leads to the cis alkene. Only the binding leads to the cis alkene. On the contrary, bromine goes through brominium mechanism. So the addition of bromine only possible through anti-addition. So anti-products form. In palladium you have cis form. Bromine you have trans form. So the concept you have to learn here is stereoselective reduction. On that you have to know bromine undergo anti-addition, hydrogen undergo Syn addition. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.